What's up, you guys? This is Average Bros Media. Hold on. I keep saying Average Bros Media, but how are you gonna have Average Bros Media with one bro? This has been messed up for a long time. Let's fix it. Oh!
What's up, dude?
What up?
I'm back, boys.
All right, Lewis is back. He's down here in California, so it's only natural that this video is gonna be a banger. We hit 1,000 subscribers and we've got some big stuff to announce to you guys, so let's get to it. If you've been watching this channel for a long time, thank you from the bottom of our heart for supporting it and helping us get to 1,000 subscribers. If you're just tuning in for the first time, you picked a good video to watch. We've got some huge announcements today. But before we get started, hit that subscribe button. You're not gonna wanna miss out on this. Now, for the OGs who have been watching this channel for a long time, you know that Lewis and I started this channel together. But recently, Lewis has been missing from the videos. No Lewis, no WRX, it's been all bad. But fortunately that's changing, so I'm gonna let Lewis announce his big news first.
Well, you know, guys, I couldn't let Nick have all the fun down here by himself, so I'm moving to California. I'm looking really forward to it. I just absolutely love it down here. So I'm bringing Stella. We're gonna have more videos on the WRX once I get down here with it. I'm just looking so forward to getting down here. I should be here within the month. Just gotta finish packing up my things back home and get prepped for the move. But after that, we are hitting the ground running and getting back to making some good old videos.
Hell yeah, we're stoked to have you. Average Bros is gonna be back on schedule and full force here in about a month. So we're stoked for that. Now, we hit 1,000 subscribers about a month ago probably. I know we're a couple hundred past it now, which is awesome. All of you who have been supporting us, like I said, and hitting that subscribe button, we greatly appreciate it. But ever since we started this channel, 1,000 subscribers was the milestone we set out to hit. We wanted to get 1,000 subscribers, and from there it was just onward and upward. But that was really the first big milestone. And when we hit that, we figured that was time to kind of reevaluate where the channel was, what direction we wanted to take it, and did everything that we were doing kind of match the long-term vision of the growth we want to see for the channel. And for the most part, yes, but there's a few things that needed some changing. Now, the whole Average Bros, we probably never explained this to you guys, but Average Bros is a play off of our last name, which is Avgeris. More importantly, we're just average bros that love working on our cars, so we thought it was a fitting name, and we still love that. The name will be staying, but we're gonna switch it up a little bit. The old graphic was good, but it's gotta go. So we had our logo fully revamped. We've got a new style that we wanna share with you guys. It kind of fits the vision of the channel long term and where we wanna take it. So we wanna show it off to you guys. Check it out. There it is, the big reveal of the new Average Bros logo, the look we're going for to take this channel to the next level, and the future of Average Bros Media. So we're super stoked on it, but we want to know what you guys think as well. Like Lewis is saying, let us know in the comment section down below. Now with that, the next big announcement. So we're celebrating 1,000 subscribers, that milestone we've been talking about, and we've been talking about for a while. What do we want to do to celebrate that? Why are we celebrating it? What's the whole point? So obviously we want to celebrate it because we're excited to have you guys on board. So we are so thankful for your support, and we want to have a way to have you guys be more engaged with the channel and kind of continue to support what we're doing and be a part of that. So we plan on doing a limited run of some merch. Now we're going to start small, but long term we really would like to have kind of a bigger, more filled out line of merch. We love making clothes, that kind of stuff, and want to have some stuff to offer to you guys down the road. But to get started, we're starting small. Like I said, super limited run. Now I'm going to let Lewis tell you about the first thing we're selling.
So the first thing we're gonna be doing is an 8-inch die cut sticker. This is super high quality vinyl. It's gonna be in matte black. Gonna be $7.99 a pop for each of these, but they are definitely gonna be worth it. This way you can take us on the go wherever you want going. You can put it on your car, on your water bottle, on your laptop, whatever you like. And this way you can show your support for the channel and be a part of the movement. And it's just a really, really good looking sticker.
definitely not gonna wanna miss out on the sticker. I love the stealth black look, especially being in California. You don't wanna draw any extra attention from the cops to your car. And I've always been a big fan of keeping your car super clean and simple. So that's why our first sticker is stealth black. It just fits our vibe. Now the second thing we're selling is a jet tag. Ever since these jet tags started getting popular, I've loved the look of them on a keychain, on your keys, your backpack, whatever you want to put it on. I think they look so sick. So we had to make some. Now our jet tag is a black jet tag with our logo, the new logo, in white on both sides. And these are gonna go for $12.99. Both of these products can be found in the link in our description down below to the new store. Now, when the video is done, click that link, but you're gonna wanna see the rest of this. So that's the next big announcement. We've got merch. Help us sell this stuff out. All this money is going back into the channel. Continue to support what we're doing, whether it's parts for the cars to continue building them or getting the garage all set up so that we have a nice place to work. But we really appreciate all the sales and that kind of stuff. As this stuff starts to sell, we'll shout you out in the video because again, we couldn't do it without you guys and we want to know who's supporting us. So as they say, out with the old, in with the new logo, we're gonna put new banners on the car. Lewis is way ahead of me. He already has the banner on the WRX, so we're gonna pull mine off the car, reinstall the new banner. We're going with that stealth look like we were talking about earlier with the stickers. Gotta make sure we're matching that theme. So what we're gonna do is this is a satin black banner. We're doing a matte black banner with a gloss logo on it for the front, and then a matte black sticker on the back. Keeping it super stealth, making the car a little more low key, but first we need to pull off this banner and the stickers that are on the back window. The car currently has our social media handles like on the side of it, but I'm gonna take those off. If you can't figure out from the banner, can't help you. So we're gonna go ahead and get to this. All right, you guys, it is a new day, but it's time to finish up getting the banner on the car. We got the old one off like you guys saw. I wiped the window down, so we're gonna throw some blue tape around it. I'm gonna throw you guys on the tripod and get this thing taken care of. All right, we got the tape on. We're gonna start throwing the banner on. The new logo looks sick on the car. If you ever want anything detail oriented done, this guy's your man. He is killing it. Super proud to have Lewis here helping out. But yeah, I'd say it went pretty well. Neither of us had ever installed one of those banners by ourselves. So it's a little nerve wracking because both of us are kind of OCD when it comes to our cars. And if it looked bunked, then you know we would have taken it off the car right away. But it looks good, gets the stamp of approval. I'm gonna pull the car out, throw the sticker on the back window, and then we'll show you guys what it looks like. So we've got the new branding all on the car, on the front banner and the rear sticker. So this rear sticker is the matte black sticker that we were talking about earlier that is available to you guys. This one's a slightly larger version. The other one is an 8-inch. I believe this is an 11-inch, so just a little bit bigger. But yeah, this is available in the store. Check the link down below. We hope you guys enjoyed this video, but that's gonna be a wrap for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed the big announcements. We cannot wait to see more of you guys. Have Lewis down in California. Peace out. We'll see you next week.